Hey guys, it's me Tracy here at TYS Creates. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Today I have an unboxing from BeeBeeCrafts. They actually contacted me and wanted to know if I would be interested in trying out some of their products, and I was like, yes, that would be awesome. So I received my package the other day and I am here to do the unboxing with you. But before I do that, I do want to let you know that they do have a program here on YouTube where if you have 100 subbies or more, you can actually contact them, let them know that you are interested in trying out some of their products. They will send you back some information and then you can just go from there. Also, everything that I picked out, I will have links in the description box for you to just click on and it will take you right to that product. You can always go to beebeecrafts.com, take a look around the website because I'm sure that there is something on that site that you will enjoy and would want to purchase. I will also have the information for you to contact or where to send the email to if you are interested in trying out some of their products. So let me go ahead and show you what they sent me. I'm sure that this is not the first BeeBeeCrafts video that you've seen, so you do know or you have seen that the packages come very well secured. So this is the outer packaging, and then after I took that, after I opened that, everything was wrapped in this bubble wrap, and everything is also wrapped again. So everything came very well secured. All the pieces were together, nothing was broken, nothing was missing. So let me share with you what I picked out because I am anxious to do some projects with these. So first thing I want to share with you is this thread. Again, it comes packaged in separate packaging. And sorry about all that noise. This is the thread. It comes as a bundle, these two. Look at the shine on this thread. I actually think that this is metallic thread, but when I was reading the description on the website, I don't remember it saying metallic, but you can see the beautiful shine to this. And I love incorporating thread in my projects. So pretty. And this also is wrapped. So everything comes very well wrapped, very secure. Look at the shine. It comes in gold and silver, and you get both of these. And look at how much you get. So I am really excited about working with the thread. Love it, love it, love it. I also got some charms, or some cabochons, I should say. And let me open this up as well to show you how stinking cute this is. It comes in this, and I want to say that there are 50 pieces to this. Don't quote me on that because I'm not very sure, but I think it's about 50 pieces. And look at how stinking cute this is. Love it, love it, love it. It's so realistic looking. Look at that piece of cake. So stinking cute. And I know that I want to make a chunky charm from this, but I'm going to have to get some of those bells to put on the back. But I can't wait to work with these. I'm going to do something with these. But I just want you to see how stinking cute this is. Look at that cupcake. So cute. Look at this. You're going to hear me say the word cute a whole lot because I just can't help myself. I love the colors. And look at that. M for Mickey Mouse or Minnie Mouse, since it has that bow. Look at this. So cute. So stinking cute. Just can't help it. And you see, you get all of the pretty pastel colors. We have some chocolates in here. So, so cute. So excited about these. Okay, let me put these away and show you what else I picked out. So excited to work with these. The next thing that I picked out are these stainless. And this is the bag. It comes with, I don't even know, I can't remember how many it comes with, but you see that this is the bag that you will get. So let me open this up. Again, it comes in this packaging, and then the rest of them are all packaged up individually. And let me try to get this open. Here we go. So let me just show you these colors. Now, I have never worked with these before, but when I saw them, I just thought that the colors were just so pretty, and cannot wait to make flowers with these. So I don't know the names of the colors. They don't have individual names on them, but look at how pretty that is. Love it. Look at that. Look at this yellow. So, so pretty. And then you get so many. Love it, love it, love it. And this is a darker pink fuchsia. And I love these black ones. So, so cute. And then we have the white ones. Then we have these purple ones. Some more. Oh, this is more like a red. Orange. These would have been perfect. Well, these would be perfect for Halloween. Still got another week before Halloween. We got some pink ones. I think this one might be a little bit darker. Have the green ones. Some more purple ones or lilac. Have these. Looks like a slate gray. And then we have gray. And then we have these. So you get so many to work with. This was a great buy, or this is a great buy. So if you like these, if you like anything that I'm showing you, make sure you head over to the website, click that link below, and take a look at it. And then the next thing that I ordered, again, packaged very well. Let me take this plastic off. I picked out rather some resin flowers. It comes in its own container. Very, very nice. And very secure. So let me just open this up so you can see the pretty colors. Let me take a few of them out so you can see them individually. Now, when I saw these, I knew that I wanted to use these as centers for my bows and for my flowers. So look at how pretty these are. And it's like 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 different colors. So, so pretty. Cannot wait to work with these. Let me hold this up so you can get a better look at all of the pretty colors. And these are black. I am definitely loving the black. So cute. I definitely want to do some flowers with with all of these. But I wanted to do some flowers with these for Halloween. So my Halloween projects are over, but definitely will be making something with that. Love, love, love how that looks. So stinking pretty. So that is what I had to share with you from BeeBeeCrafts. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will have the information linked below. Take a look around the website if you see anything. And don't forget to send them an email if you are interested in trying out their products. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. You know that I definitely appreciate it. And you guys have a great crafty day. Until the next video, bye-bye.